after some sanding, it's starting to look like a m1a1 stock now. I didn't strip the finish, so you can see the spots that have been sanded. Here is still flat, here is still flat, and here I just did the bottom edge. Started by disassembling the stock. I started with the grip. I made this complete radius. It's all radiused here to about here, then it starts to flatten out. I radiused this top part a little bit more and kind of blended it together. Just added a little bit more of a radius on the front, so there's less of a flat. Now it is comfortable to hold. In the front, radiused it quite a bit, and when it gets in here, this opening is wider than the real stock, so I couldn't continue the full radius of the front part. I went right to the edge, kind of almost as high as I did the front. I still have some more sanding to do on it for the final sand, but it is roughed out. I'm going to try and find a new handguard too, and then I'll do the final blending of that, which would probably take some off of here. And for this part where there was the chamfer, I went right to the edge of the chamfer and then started radiating it down, blending the two edges. Turned out a lot better than what I started with, and hopefully with some more work it'll turn into a decent replica.